have got to go. Woo!
I can't believe we're still fighting for this right so many years after birth control came about. It seems like we're way back in the 60s and the 70s again, and I just want to make sure that corporations are treated as corporations and not as people, so that everyone's religious liberty and religious freedom is defended, regardless of your religion and regardless of your form of birth control.
Well, we believe that real health care should respect life, and what this case is really about is forcing business owners who have sincerely held beliefs that life begins at conception to fund abortion-causing drugs against their will. And that's against the American dream. It's against all the principles of freedom of conscience and freedom of liberty and freedom of religion that we hold so dearly in this country. And that's why you see so many Americans out here today, because this is an issue impacting real Americans, and we cannot live in a country that forces people to participate in activity that they find morally reprehensible.
Well, obviously, I am hoping that the religious people will not have the right to impose their religious beliefs on anyone else. Certainly, a corporation per se has no religious beliefs, and it is just absolute and complete bigotry to imagine that they would have the right to propagate their religious views on health care to anyone else.
Young people of my generation are listening closely. What is at stake today is an issue of sexism.
I'm hoping that there'll be a victory for the freedom, for true freedom in America. The Obamacare HHS mandate persecutes Christians and Catholics, forces them to violate their consciences, and that's something that you would expect in a communist country, not in the United States of America.
The people united will never be defeated. The people